Motor Racing. Today we're going to show you how to change your post-out on a RC nitro engine. Because of wear and tear, eventually the post-out will need to be repaired or replaced. The post-out string often breaks. The first, relocate the post-out in the back of the engine. We then take off the 4 screws. Lift the post-out from the engine. Note that there is a one-way bearing. If this is not put back in the right direction when you reinstall the post-out will not work. The correct way will be the shiny end of the bearing goes next to the engine. Now we'll reapply the post-out. Thank you for watching.